To enable product expiration feature on Stocksavvy, scroll down and click Settings. Click Product Settings, Products, and check Enable Product Expiry. So you can choose to add item expiry or also add manufacturing date and expiry period. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the manufacturing date and product expiry period. Then you can also specify what happens when a product is about to expire. So you can keep selling or stop selling before a certain number of days. So let me use stop selling. Then you can specify how many days that you want to disable selling of a product before it expires. So let's say 5 days, and you scroll down and update settings. Go back to your home and you will now be able to specify the expiration date of a product while adding a product or during purchases.